Hello everyone, my name is Diane. Welcome to my show, Cooking with Mama D. This is my third segment and I am just excited to show you what I'm going to be doing today. Today I am going to be making my very special whiskey cream. This is like a Bailey's Irish cream, but it's kind of like the cousin, the rich one, not the poor one. So to start, I am going to start with 2 cups of table cream. There we go. Gonna measure that. 2 cups. And to that I am going to add 1 egg. So we add in the egg in. Put that over there. And as usual, I love my vanilla. Because you know, we just love our spicy stuff and I'm very spicy myself. So a little vanilla added in over there, and to make it sweet, condensed milk. So 1 whole tin of condensed milk. I'm just going to squirt this out. Get every last drop out of it. Can't waste anything. There we go. Scrape everything out with my spoon. Okay, let's put that over here. Love condensed milk. Let's used to drink that a lot as a child. Now to give my whiskey cream a little color, I like to add chocolate syrup. So here we go. Not too much. And last but not least, my favorite whiskey. I don't drink it alone. I like to drink it in my whiskey cream. Black Velvet blended Canadian whiskey, of course. Now the recipe calls for 1 cup, but I don't like too much alcohol. I'll just freehand pour this in. And there we go. I mean, if you want to add more whiskey, you can, but I don't like that much whiskey. So then I'm going to blend this. So here is my whiskey cream. Now I have a glass with crushed ice. I love my crushed ice. I'm going to sample this to see how this tastes. Pour it in. Look how nice it looks. Nice and frothy. And I always keep my whiskey cream in a bottle and I keep it in the fridge and I enjoy it at Christmas time and whenever I feel like a little, like spoiling myself. Let's see. Tastes almost like Bailey's Irish cream. I'm gonna do a little thing. I'm gonna add a little bit more whiskey because I think it needs a little bit. There we go. Just a little peck. Okay, let me mix this around and taste it. Oh my god, this is so good. You guys should try it. The recipe is so easy. It's easy to make this. You can get like 1.5 bottle out of this, and sometimes at Christmas I double the recipe. All I want to say is, as compared to Bailey's Irish cream, this baby is quarter the price and just as nice. Thank you guys for watching my video. I want you to like my video and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Salute!